The camera feature will copy a range of cells into a picture format, which is linked back to the selected range. So anytime the cells change, the picture will update with those changes. Why would you want to do that? It could be very helpful when building dashboards, reports, or charts, and you want to layer an image of a range of data on top of it. Maybe like at the base of the image, but still on top of the image to show the data for that dashboard, report, or chart. So to go ahead and bring the camera up, we got to come up here and right-click on the Quick Access toolbar to customize it. Change it from popular to all commands. Scroll down to the C's. There it is. Double-click on camera, adds it to the right. Click OK. It's up there. Now before I go ahead and take a snapshot, make sure that you select the range that you want to be able to convert into an image or make a copy of it into an image. And then come up here and say cheese. Click. There you go. You get the marching ants. So when you're done, you can see when I move my mouse around, I get this black cross. Just go ahead and click wherever you want and it'll dump that selected range over here into an image that it's linked back to it. So for like cinnamon, it's 28 bucks. If I come over here and change it to 30, hit enter, it reflects the change. Cool. Then I can go ahead and click and drag it over here for this next demonstration. And when I want to go back to the range that this data has been snapshot from, double click on it really fast and hey, wasn't that fun? Let's go ahead and scroll back. And because it's an image, when you select it, you can go ahead and click and drag the rotation. Whoa. You know, things like you do, as we learned in earlier training videos with our images, like the resizing handles. Well, that's nice. And you can also right-click on it and get some options. Now, the thing that I wouldn't do, well, let me go ahead and show you. When you copy it, and let's go to Sheet 2, and you right-click to get the paste options. Well, all right, let me show you. Use destination theme. When I click on that, it starts freaking out, and I can't. Oh, that's horrifying. Let's right-click again and use the second option, say keep the formatting. Well, that's freaky out. Right-click again and let's use the final one, the picture. Now the picture works, but it doesn't work. It works that it gives us the picture, but it's not linked back to the data. So any changes that you make here, or when you double-click on it, there's no link, so it doesn't work. Let me go ahead and hit the delete key on all these because, oh, that's horrifying. Let's go back to Sheet 1 and double-click to go back to our data range. And when you're done with that, well, go ahead and select it, delete it. Take as many pictures as you want, but make sure you say cheese. Thanks for watching. Hey, as a quick reminder, if you like my video, please give it a thumbs up. You can also click on me and subscribe to my channel to get notified of the latest videos. And for great specials on my products, please see the description below this video.